In this video, we will cover finished goods receiving by using job receipt in Axacute. To receive the finished goods, at the home page, click on the WIP button. Select Job Receipt. At the Job Receipt page, select the item Warehouse. Use your mobile device to scan the information on the job sheet to input the job order suffix. Scan the location barcode to input the receiving location. If an item is set up as a lot traceable, you have several options to input the lot number. You can select the lot number recommended by Axacute, or you can select an existing lot number. And lastly, you may also type your own new lot number. Now, enter the quantity to receive, and click on the Process button to proceed. If the receiving is successful, a success message will be prompted. If needed, you can print a label for the item that you have received. To return the rejected finished goods to the shop floor, you can use the Job Return function. At the home page, click on the WIP button. Select Job Return. Select the item Warehouse. Scan the barcode label on the item to input the item and location information. Select the lot number of the item to return. By referring to the job sheet, scan the information for job order and suffix. Enter the quantity to return, and specify a reason code for the job return. Thank you for watching this video.